you got the motor off the machine, set the park brake and turn your machine off. Step off the machine. You're going to want to release some of the pressure. Move it around. And then you're going to disconnect these lines. Once you disconnect these lines, you got to be careful because there could be pressure. So always be cautious of that. Once you disconnect them, put your dust caps on to keep dirt out of the hydraulic orifices. It'll help for easier connection next time.
Hey guys, thanks for watching today's toolkit video. If you want to see more, check out these videos here and here. Please subscribe so you see more content that we're going to be putting out. If you want to follow us on our social media accounts, check out our Facebook and Instagram below. And if you want to do a favor for us, if you have any questions, please comment. We're happy to make any videos that you guys have. We'll see you next time.